This design I call the flower spray. It's the most popular on my menu. I'm not quite sure why. I think it might be that I have painted it in unicorn on my menu. So that's a good menu tip. If you really want to sell a design that's maybe quicker than the others, paint it in a unicorn or a Bavaria type cake with these colors and it will probably be your most popular too. So, okay, so let's start right at the corner of the eye and do our first petal because we don't want to run out of room and end up trying to squeeze that last petal in. So if we start right there, then we won't have that problem. So leave a little airspace in between your petals so they look more natural. And also so you can fit teardrops in between. And let's do and head toward the chin focal point. And then I like to add a few wispies going through the petals just to make it look more complete. And if you want to, you can even add a little texture with your brush while you still have paint in it. Add some glitter. And then you could stop at this point because it's a nice one-stroke thing. We're going to go ahead and add some white though. So I'm going to add some white dots. And then just a series of small teardrops. Might even be better to use like a number 2 or 3 just so you get nice delicate little teardrops really quickly. But there's a good stopping point also, so that's 2 minutes even. And then we can just, while we got the white loaded, we can add some stars and dots. And I usually try to do stars in uneven numbers, like 3s and 5s. Okay. So that is about 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Usually because young girls choose this, I don't outline this one. If I'm going to outline, I'll probably do a hibiscus flower as an eye design, and I've got another video that shows that. So this is the flower spray.